Hello everyone. So this is our today's question. So let's see how we will solve this question and how we will get the solution for this type of question. The question is j minus k equals to 3, j square plus k square equals to 7, j cube minus k cube equal to question mark. So these two equations are given to us, equation 1 and equation 2, and with the help of these two equations we will find out the value of j cube minus k cube. So this we need to find out, and the options which are given to us are 20, 16, 18, and 24. So these are the four options which are given to us. So let's see how we will solve this type of question. So moving ahead with the solution part. So first of all, we will start with the given part. So these two equations are given to us. So let us start with this first equation. The first equation is j minus k equals to 3. So this equation is given to us. So now in this first equation, what I will do, I will square both the sides. So let's start. First of all, we will do squaring both the sides. So both the sides we will square up. So this side it will become j minus k the whole square, and this side it will become 3 square. So what I am doing, squaring both the sides. Now open this bracket with the help of identity a minus b the whole square. So the identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square. In place of a we have j, in place of b we have k. So the first term will be j square minus 2kj plus k square equals to, this side 3 square will give you 9. So this way you will open up this bracket with the help of identity a minus b the whole square. Now further, now here we have got j square minus 2kj plus k square equal to 9. Now if you see this carefully, we have the value of j square plus k square. J square plus k square equals to 7. So we have here j square plus k square. So in place of these both we can keep the value 7. So this value we can substitute here. So in place of these two terms, j square plus k square, I am keeping 7. Okay, so after keeping 7, we are left with only this minus 2kj. So 7 minus 2kj equals to 9. So I hope till here it is clear. So what we have done, in place of this both j square plus k square, we have kept the value 7. Minus 2kj I have kept as it is, and this side equal to 9 as it is. Now this minus 2kj I am taking that side, shifting there, and 9 I am shifting here. So we are doing transposing. So here I will get 7 minus 9, and this side I will get 2kj. Okay, negative sign will remove and it will become positive 2kj. Now 7 minus 9 will give us minus 2. So minus 2 equals to 2kj. Now this 2 we will shift here. So minus 2 upon 2 equals to kj. Now here cancellation is possible. So we will cancel. So 2 ones are, and here also ones are. So we are left with 1. So k into j. Kj is equal to minus 1. So we are left with minus 1. So this we are getting the value of kj. So kj equal to minus 1. So we have got the value of kj. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out j cube minus k cube. Now coming to this point. So now we will find out j cube minus k cube. Now j cube minus k cube, here this we can open with the help of identity a cube minus b cube. So what is the identity of a cube minus b cube? The identity of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into bracket a square plus b square plus a into b. So this is our identity of a cube minus b cube. So based on this identity, we will open up this bracket. So what I will get? J cube minus k cube. This will be equal to a minus b. In place of this, I will write j minus k, and in place of this a square plus b square plus ab, we will write j square plus k square plus kj. So I hope till here it is clear to you. Now further, what we will do? So this side we will keep as it is, j cube minus k cube equals to. Now this side j minus k. So we already have the value for j minus k. It is given in the question. J minus k is 3. And here what we have, j square plus k square plus kj. Here also we will keep values. So let's do it in the next step. So j cube minus k cube equals to 3 into bracket. Now here j square plus k square. So j square plus k square. This much portion is given to us and that is 7. So we will keep 7 plus and kj. Kj we have already calculated, so that we got minus 1. So this is minus 1. So 7 plus and here minus 1 in the bracket. So what we are getting, j cube minus k cube equals to 3, and here we are getting 7 minus 1. So 7 minus 1 will give us 6. So j cube minus k cube equals to 3 into 6. So j cube minus k cube equals to 3 6 is 18. So 18 will be our final answer. So this will be the value for j cube minus k cube. So 18 is our final answer for this question. Now if you check out the options, option C, this option C shows the correct answer. So this will be the correct answer, 18. So this way we will do this type of question. I hope you understood. Thank you.